Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can deactivate the account on your Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be on Facebook and then go to right top corner to the menu, and here you want be here, scroll down below, settings and privacy, click settings, and then you're gonna see personal information, manage account, and here you're gonna see account deactivate, and then you just enter the password, and this is how you can deactivate it. So when I go again, I'm in menu, I'm gonna scroll down below, see settings and privacy here, settings, and right here I'm gonna see personal information, manage account, and deactivate. So this is pretty much it how you do it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.